this on your face, use this on your body. If your face is sensitive, it's going to calm it. If you are prone to breakouts, it's going to be good with it, because this facial cream is not hot on the face, it's very mild. Even a baby can use it because it does not contain anything chemicals. It's all plain natural. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Ogele Extreme Beauty Therapy. You are welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some combination of products that actually helps with facial wrinkles, facial irritation, glowing, slow down sign of aging. It's a product that actually does it all. It has the soap. The soap helps to calm irritation. It helps to clear off sunburn, especially those that are suffering from red sunburn. That's for the soap. It helps with dullness of the face. It actually helps to brighten up the face. Then there's the facial cream helps to also, it does the same thing, but you get the benefits when you are using both of these products. When you are not using only one, if you are using both, you are going to see a very dramatic difference. So guys, let me not take much of your time. Let me just show you the product, because it's a tested and trusted product, and a lot of people have actually been talking about this product. But I don't just talk about product because people are talking about it. I have to work with it for some time, then I can then come out and give my own honest review. So number one, this is the number one of it. This is Goji Berry facial serum. This contains hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanical. This serum is good, but I don't recommend for people to use this during the day, because it actually contains retinol, and retinol is not good when it's come in contact with sun. So if you are using this, you have to use it during the night. Don't use it during the day, because retinol can actually cause facial irritation. This is how it looks. This is how the serums look. It's a lifesaver. It helps for those that are treating reddish face, red sunburn. It helps to take it off. So aside this, then we have here Goji Berry eye cream. This is good for people that are treating eye bags, dark eye circle, wrinkled eye. This is good because it helps to firm the skin of that particular part. For those that are treating eye bags, it will help with the sagging eye. It will help to erase dark eye circle. If you just want to kill it all, if you want to kill it all, what you need to do, just add a little miracle powder to this eye cream and you are good to go. It doesn't really need much. It does not really need much. This is how it is. So Goji Berry is a very big brand. It's a good brand, and their product works very well on the right source. Try to get it from the right source and you'll be glad. So this is for the eye. So here we have the Goji Berry facial cream. This works for everybody. It does not lighten up the face. It does not lighten the face at all. This is strictly maintenance. You can use this as your day cream, because I don't recommend people using a stronger cream on their face during the day, especially those that their face is sensitive. That's why we always have the nice cream and the day cream. So you can use this as your day cream, both for your face and your body. It's not going to lighten you. So if you are looking for something that is going to lighten you, don't just go for this. But if you want something that will maintain your complexion, that will give you a clear tone, that will make your skin to glow, you can go for this. This can be used on the face, it can be used on the body. I use this as my day cream, both my face and my body, and it's actually giving me what I want, because my face is always prone to sunburn. But since I have been using this, it has helped to reduce the sunburn, and my face don't easily get irritated because I am using this. I also use the serum at night also. Then we've talked about the cream now. We have talked about the serum. We have talked about the eye cream. One more thing is left. We are going to talk about the soap. The other item I said now is Goji Berry facial soap. Now Goji Berry facial soap, still on what we are saying, because today we are not talking about anything lightening or whitening. We are talking about maintenance and glowing. So this soap is very good for a facial soap, for a body soap. You can use this. Is extremely. So this is the other product. This is goji berry facial soap. Use this on your face, use this on your body. If your face is sensitive, it's going to calm it. If you are prone to breakouts, it's going to be good with it, because this facial cream is not hot on the face, it's very mild. Even a baby can use it because it does not contain anything chemicals. It's all plain natural goji berry. For those that are suffering from facial redness, maybe when you just go out, do your normal few days routine, before you look, your face will be so, you'll feel reddish, you'll feel pepperish. If you are using this, trust me, within 2 weeks, it's going to calm. You are not going to be experiencing that. Please also abstain from using